Have you ever wanted your own AI research assistant that can search the web, analyze files, write code, execute commands, and help automate complex tasks, all running locally on your own computer? If so, you're going to love DeerFlow. In this complete step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install DeerFlow from scratch on a Windows PC using WSL, Ollama, and a completely free local AI model. We'll start from a clean installation. Install every required dependency including Node.js, Python, UV, PNPM, Jinx, and Ollama. Configure everything correctly, and get DeerFlow running inside your browser. Along the way, I'll also show you how to solve the most common installation problems that many people run into, including missing dependencies, PNPM errors, Ollama connection issues, WSL configuration problems, model loading errors, and other setup issues that can prevent DeerFlow from working properly. The best part is that you don't need any paid API keys to follow this guide. We'll use a free local Qwen model through Ollama, so everything runs directly on your own hardware, giving you complete privacy and full control over your AI assistant. So if you're ready to build one of the most powerful open-source AI agent platforms on your computer, let's get started. Click on GitHub link in my description to go to main page of DeerFlow. You can read its documentation and everything you need to know. Before we begin, make sure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for a smooth installation. You'll need a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or Windows 11 with WSL 2 and Ubuntu installed, an NVIDIA GPU with CUDA support, such as an RTX 3060, 12 GB VRAM, or better, is highly recommended for running local AI models efficiently, along with at least 16 GB of RAM, 32 GB recommended, and 30 to 50 GB of free SSD storage. You'll also need Git, Python 3.12 or later, Node.js 22 LTS, PNPM, UV, Jinx, and Ollama installed. We'll be using the free Qwen3:8b model through Ollama, so no paid API keys are required. An internet connection is needed during the installation to download dependencies and the AI model, and once everything is set up, DeerFlow will run locally in your web browser. Run this main page. Once you're ready, click on Code option on main page and copy Git code. Now run WSL. You can watch my video on installing WSL. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone. Once cloned with CD, go inside clone folder. Now sudo apt update. Enter password for your WSL when you made it. Once updated code for Build Essential and Jinx. I will put a file link in my description where you can copy all codes. Now paste code to install UV. Now source Bashirk. You need to have Node.js installed. You can watch my playlist on installing Node.js. Verify with these codes if Node.js and its dependencies are installed. Now run code make setup. This will install everything needed. When it's done, from list choose which model you want to use. If you got API key, you can check, otherwise for free choose number 9. Choose DuckDuckGo since it's free. Choose Gina AI Reader. Number 1 option. Type Y and hit enter. Again type Y and hit enter. Don't choose anything, just hit enter. Now type code make install. Now with CD go inside backend folder. Now add long chain Ollama code. When it's done, go back to DeerFlow folder with CD. Now run make doctor code. Now again with CD go inside backend folder and run UV sync code. Now again go back to DeerFlow folder and run make doctor again. Now check Ollama list if you got any models installed. If you don't, run pull command to download model we going to use. Now run nano code to do some changes in model name. Change all 32B name to 8B. Now press Ctrl+O and hit enter, then Ctrl+X to go back to menu. Now CD code to make sure you are in DeerFlow folder, then run make dev. When it's done, copy local URL 3000 and paste in any browser to launch DeerFlow. Click on Get Started with 2.0. Create account. Now you are ready to use DeerFlow. Choose model you want if you have downloaded more than one. That's it. Your DeerFlow installation is now complete and ready to use with a free local AI model. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.